If you find yourself manually retyping data or trying to come up with a complex formula just to split a first and last name, then you'll want to try this instead. I'm going to show you the magic button of Excel that can save you a ton of time by instantly cleaning up your data, and it's called Flash Fill. Let's take a look at a classic scenario where you have a column of full names that you'd like to split into first and last name. First thing we need to do is establish a pattern that Flash Fill can recognize. So what I'll do is I will insert a column, and we will call this first name. And now what we need to do to give that pattern is give it the first two rows of what it should expect. So I will type in John and Emily. And now all we need to do to flash fill the remaining ones is to press either Ctrl and E, or to go to the top data and select Flash Fill. And as you can see, it has populated the rest of the rows in my table. We can then go ahead and do the same thing for the last name. And there you have it. Let's take a look at another example where suppose you need to create an email using the first and last name. We do that in the same way by first establishing a pattern. And we just do the flash fill, so I'm going to press Ctrl E again. And as you can see, it's auto-populated all of the emails based on the first and last name. For the final example, let's take a look at how we can use flash fill to format phone numbers. So if you wanted to add hyphens and brackets, all you need to do is the same thing, give it a pattern of the first two rows. And we just trigger flash fill, so I'll do it from the top menu bar this time. And there you go, it's populated all of the remaining ones. Flash fill is powerful, but there are things you need to be aware of. One is that it is static and not dynamic, meaning if the data in your table changes, then the flash filled records do not automatically update. The second is that we always populate the second row to help establish the pattern more clearly. So in most cases, you can use just one record, but having two records emphasizes the pattern that you're going for. And lastly, for best results, always make sure that you're using the flash fill feature directly in the adjacent column to the one you're trying to modify. Flash fill is an absolute lifesaver for data entry. Just remember the shortcut Ctrl E and you'll save hours of work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and let me know if there's any other topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.